Anything that shines, honey. Yes, y'all see this? Gold.
Yeah, yeah, she a boss with different flavors. Got the sauce, do it in major. Get it on her own, don't need no favors. Got a bag ballin' like the Lakers. Ooh, yeah. She got the juice. Ooh, yeah. Come and get Pearl by mail. And if they hating it, oh well. I'm still do me though. Dropping my YouTube videos. Hit the subscribe button. Share with all your friends. Link up, let the fun begin. I do this like every day. Can't take no L's, we gotta win.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something a little bit different. As you guys can see, I kind of changed it up in the background. I wanted something, different. Like, I was getting tired of the colors in the back. Ah, guys, really. So today we are doing a get to know me tag, okay? I hope you guys are excited. So I have some questions in here. So I'm just gonna pick them randomly and answer them, okay? Also, I wanted you guys to know that I launched my website this week, so you can definitely book an appointment with me. Like, get ready to slay your prom, your wedding, like whatever event you have, okay? Okay, guys, so let's jump right into the video, okay? So, the first question is, what sports do you play? Guys, I do not play any sports. I'm definitely like not the athletic type. Like, I know because I'm like skinny, so people think no. I'm not the athletic type. Like, if I was to play any sports though, it would be like more like track. Like, I like running and stuff, but yeah, I don't like swimming, none of that. Like, back when I was in high school and we had to take like swimming classes. At first I was good, but as they started learning more to actually like swim, guys, like if we're swimming 4 times in a month, okay, it's that time of the month once, then one other time or two other times I'm sick because I don't want to swim. Like, it was that serious for me. So no, I do not play any sports. Okay, let's move on to the second question. What's your favorite thing to do on your free time? So when I'm not filming or studying or nothing, I love to watch YouTube videos. Like, I'm a huge YouTube watcher. Like, I don't just watch like makeup. Lately I've been like tired of the makeup videos. I watch like drama channels, all of that. Like, I watch basically anything on YouTube. Yeah, so yeah, if I'm not watching YouTube, then I'm definitely watching like a movie or listening to music. I used to read too, but I haven't done that in a while. Who is your favorite artist? um I feel like it depends what type of music you're talking about. And I don't have a favorite artist. Like, I have favorite artists. Like, it's a lot of them. But if we're just talking in general, I like Adele. I like Celine Dion. I've been liking Celine Dion since back in the days. When it comes to Afrobeat, I like I like Mayo Kun. I like Wizkid. I've really been enjoying Wizkid. Tiwa Savage. Fave memory from your childhood. Um, let me think. Let me see. Ooh, let me see. Ooh. I'll say like my fave memory from my childhood was like maybe when I was like 2, 3, something like that. Like, my cousins, we used to kind of live in the same neighborhood. So and there was this shortcut to get to the house that had like a lot of flowers. So on their way, like on my way there, with my dad, he would pick up like flowers for me and stuff. So yeah, that's all I could think of right now. Where are you from? You guys know that. Anyway, I'm from Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. It's in West Africa. That's where I'm from. Um, Precisely from the city of Abidjan. Yo, I want to go back so bad. Like, I miss my country. Do you have pets? If you do you have a cat or a dog? No, I don't have any pets. But if I was to have pets, I would definitely want a dog. Yeah, I feel like I could, you know, I would definitely want like a couple of dogs. Maybe like 2 dogs, a small one and a big one. I don't know. How many kids do you want? Um, okay, let me say this. So if I'm like rich, rich, like honey, I am wealthy out here. I want 6 kids. I don't care. I want a lot of kids. But like if I'm, okay, like still wealthy, but like I don't know, like I'm not balling. I would want 4 kids. I think I wouldn't want anything less than 4 kids. But then it depends on the person that I get with later in life. But how many countries have you visited? Not a lot. The US. Well, I live here, so it's not like visited, and I've been to Ghana. Yeah, that's the 2 places that I've been to, but definitely want to travel. I want to go to like Thailand. I want to go to Greece. Oh my God. I want to go to Dubai. So many places. I want to go to Egypt. I want to go to Israel. It's so many places that I want to go to. Yeah. So, can't wait to get my coins and go. Because, honey, it's going to be lit. What is your favorite color? Can you guys guess? I mean, like, honey, nah, I don't really have like a favorite color, but I have favorite colors, and I feel like I'm wearing them today. So I like red, yellow, purple. I don't have any purple today, but if you look at my makeup, I always have some type of purple in my makeup. So yeah. Sorry, I'm looking at my mirror like I'm feeling myself. Yeah, but yeah, I like purple, red. Lately, I've been loving orange, and I love yellow. But if we were to say like my favorite color, it's not really a color though, but that would be gold. Like anything that shines, honey. Yes, y'all see this? Gold. I like anything that's golden, honey. Like, ooh. I feel like it just complements my skin. Like, honey, I am a goddess, okay? I need to be adorned with gold. Because you are a queen and needs to be adorned with pearls. Ooh. That's what Proud by Mel stands for. For all the people who are always asking me, like, you are a queen, honey. It's not just anybody that should be glamming you up, okay? So come here and get Proud by Mel, okay? Because I'm gonna treat you like a queen. You are gonna be taken care of well. Everything is gonna complement your skin and make you glow. Like, honey, when you walk, anybody can just feel, ooh, they're gonna feel the beat because you have been face beat pearled by Mel. Yo, I'm too much. Anyway, let's move on to the next question. What would you name your kids? I feel like that it has changed, and I feel like it's gonna change again. But now I'm really feeling my first name, Melian. So I don't know as far as if I have boys, but for girls, I definitely know. First name, I do want one is gonna be named Melissa and one is gonna be named Melody. I think even if anything changes, Melody is most likely gonna be a name that one of my kids has. So yeah, we'll say Melody and Melissa. But as far as boys, I do not know. Tea or coffee? I'm definitely a tea girl. Like, I'm not gonna say I'm crazy about tea. I like herbal tea and stuff like that. I'm not a coffee person. Like, coffee will mess me up. Coffee will give me anxiety, honey. I will not sleep for days. So I do not play with coffee. The most I can do is like a frappe from McDonald's that has a little bit of coffee in there, so like I'm good with that, okay? But when it comes to like coffee, honey, caffeine, and nah, I don't even drink tea with caffeine. One of your bad habits, okay? So one of my bad habits is that I am bad at keeping up with people. Like, I would not check, y'all forgive me. I don't do it on purpose, you know. I just be in my own zone sometimes. It's so hard. Like, I would not check on like people like that. I just like stay in my little corner and stuff. But I am working on it, and I could see like a little tiny bit of improvement. Are you single or taken, honey? What do you think? I mean, what do you think? Am I single? Am I taken? I don't know. I want to know y'all's answer in the description box. Actually, y'all put your answer. What do you think? Is she taken? Is she single? Fave YouTubers. I have a lot of YouTubers that I watch. Lately I've been watching I Am Iloho. Like, yo, Eloho. I might even saying her name right. Like, I love her. Oh my, like, she kind of changed her channel. It's not like so much of a makeup channel anymore. And you know, I love her topics on colorism and cis. Like, her channel been educating me. Like, did y'all know that country music come from black people? Honey, y'all need to go watch her. I've been watching Chrissy. She falls in that same category. Kiki Adams when it comes to beauty, Nikki Tutorials, Brianna Marie. Yo, there's so many people. What's your full name? Okay, guys, this is the last question, and I think it is a good way to end the video. What is your full name, and are you named after someone? So no, I am not named after anyone as far as I know, and I'm not gonna say my full name because, honey, I'm just gonna say my last name, and that's it. Okay, cause anyway, but yeah, I'm probably gonna say one of my middle names because I have to. But yeah, it is Latro Melian Oliva. So basically, Melian is the name that y'all know. That's my, that's my first name, and then Oliva is my middle name, which is what my family calls me. If y'all want to see another get to know me tag, please let me know, or any video suggestions that you guys want to see from me, let me know. I will keep doing the series that I'm doing right now, so I will have more videos coming out about how to highlight and contour. It's definitely coming, guys, so get ready for that. Like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Like, at this point, if y'all not subscribed, like, what are you doing? Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post a video. Okay, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye. Don't get mad, ho. Don't get mad, ho. Don't get mad, ho. Don't get mad, ho.
You are unique, okay. Then take a seat, okay. Let me show you the correct way to face beat, okay. Do it like this, do it like that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Can't forget this, need more of that. Yeah, that's perfect, okay. I appreciate all the love to my beauties, kisses and hugs. I thank God up above for all this talent. You can do it if you want it, you can have it. Find your passion, boss up and make it happen. Yeah, okay. Whoa.